Hi everyone, welcome to the Wild Wolf Financial Team. This is Jem, your financial analyst in gold. Today is the last trading day of the week. Yes, it is December the 18th, and currently I will be talking about gold. Now, let's first start with the main topic. So, this will be that gold is off the lows and is looking to regain the $1,900 an ounce. So, as we can see here, we are looking at gold on an uprising trend. Currently, it is more in a bearish movement, but nonetheless, comparing this to this week, we have seen gold on a very strong uptrend. Now, the precious metal did open negative today at $18.91 an ounce after a pullback from highs of $18.96. Now, we are talking of a jump of $34 compared to yesterday's opening. So if you do look closely, if we go to today's opening, we can see that this area here, we can see that it has opened negative and it has followed its bearish movement. Now, compared to yesterday, which also opened negative, we can see this area, we can see that it has also opened negative. So, nonetheless, now if we go back to December the 15th, the second trading day of the week, if we look at the bullish candle at 9 a.m. GMT plus 8, this is based on the hourly chart. So if I just put the bullish candle, so let's look at this section here at 9 a.m. So we can see that at this moment, this bullish pennant right here has triggered signal for the buyers to take control, pushing gold into a strong uprising momentum. So when this triangle broke out, we can see a very strong bullish momentum here, and this continued even despite the news, the data, economic data that came out on December 16th. We can see that there was a positive impact on this precious metal. Now, the solid bullish movement came with heavy resistance, breaking the range it currently was in. So as we can see here, this is the range where it was broken. And if I do zoom out, we come to understand that the range I was referring to was at this area. So we understand that the bulls definitely did take control. So this is the area where it did breach. Now, gold continued on an uprising trend. Now, moving on. Yesterday's closing bearish candle at 11 p.m. GMT plus 8 started a trend of lower highs. With today's bearish triangle, with today's bearish opening, pushing gold to lows of 1884. So as you can see here, this is referred to the overnight corrective pullback. So we can see that there was a pullback here just as gold reached its peak. So we are referring to $18.96 an ounce. Now the triangle shown, this area here, the triangle shown here based on the hourly chart may be a signal for the buyers. So if it does break out this area, we may expect a more of a bullish movement. Now, moving on, this week saw a solid jump of $68, breaching the range, as I mentioned before, which is currently consolidating in the mid-November's range. So if I do zoom back, we can come to understand that in mid-November, which is this area, gold has reached this range. So now we understand that this was the range that it did find stability in. And today's range, currently this area, is in the range of mid-November. Now, Gold's value may unlikely be falling to its previous range. One of the main factors involved in supporting this precious metal is the US unemployment rate, the COVID-19 vaccine, and the US stimulus talks, and along with the Brexit trade talks, which also has an influence. Now, firstly, I would also like to thank and congratulate all our investors in following our signal. As yesterday we sent out our signal, and we are very happy to hear that they all took their profits. So once again, I am congratulating all our investors for following our signals. Moving on, the yellow metal is currently in the positive zone, and it is trading at 1878, $1879 an ounce at the moment. So, just before I end my show, I would like to thank all of you for watching my video, and please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated on a daily basis. Please stay tuned for more news updated soon. Wishing you all a great day ahead.